If you guys happen to get the code p0321 and p0322, you guys gonna have to go under the car. Obviously jack it up first, secure it on jack stand. In this case I'm going to remove this plastic right here. Set it to the side. On the side of the oil filter, as you can see, there is the connector, this gray one. You guys gonna have to disconnect it and then follow the cable to the bottom, and you guys gonna be able to feel the sensor. If you notice, it's under the oil filter. I'm going to remove it and get back to you guys. Here is the sensor that I removed. It's held in place with a 10mm bolt. The bolt gonna be on top. Here is the new sensor and the part number if you guys need it. This vehicle is a 2003 Volkswagen Jetta with a 2.0 engine. So next I'm going to install the new sensor and I will get back to you guys again. As you can see, I have the new sensor installed.